Alright, so we're in Great Lakes today. We're gonna be drifting a little bit more. Cars are running good. What else is there?
Car's running good, but we're spitting oil everywhere.
Yeah.
The catch can keeps overflowing, and that's pretty much because the rings are fried on the engine. So we just got to rebuild it.
Don't we have to rebore it, then put new rings on it? There we go, that's the next project.
Maybe just put some diesel oil in it for a little bit longer, see how it holds up.
Hopefully.
Yeah, but so far she's running good.
Say what you said?
So what if we just replace the oil with McDonald's barbecue sauce? That still worked perfect. That thick as hell.
See you later, boys. Chris! Hey, what happened there, Doug?
I'm losing it.
We got this this air that said danger in a manifold. Then the floor panel blew off.
To start it, flip everything on.
Hold on, I'm gonna have to go to Fat Man Harness.
So,
Dude, I don't think I fit in this car. I mean, they're medium seats.
your helmet's up top.
Give me my oh, that's another thing, dude. I don't even know if I'm gonna fit in this. Hold on.
You should have put that on before you got it.
There you go.
Hey, I think we have an angle grinder. Do you want me to cut a little roof for you?
Yeah, we should be good.
Karl's coming.
How's it fit? Oh, okay, go.
I can't do it. I'm too small.
Oh yeah,
I'm
no
too big.
reverse.
I can't let off the clutch. Alright, fuck this, dude. Hey,
You fit in there?
no.
Holy
What is this? Yo, when I try to turn my head, I'm like against the ceiling.
Oh, are you not going in it?
No, I'm too
Got
big
some
for
for
this. Bathroom.
Carl, we going for a ride?
Holy hey. Yes.
What?
Holy shit, dude. That is really tight in there.
I'm a little dude. You're a big dude. I get in just fine.
Yeah, because you're like half my weight.